cameras in your pocket? Okay. Hey. Okay, look at this tree. Look at it in the daytime. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. This tree is so pretty in the day. It goes all the way up to the ceiling. I love it. I love the tree. Yes.
I'm so cold. I'm sleepy. I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy.
Okay. Okay, for an update on the mantle is not done yet. We're still working on it. Okay, baby, go give me the remote. We're still working on it. It's not finished, and that's okay. We're gonna do a few projects at a time. This one?
Yes, my cups. I love what teachers.
Oh, I think that's a little too loud. Okay, let me show you the stove. I don't know why I keep saying oven. Stove. Okay, so this is currently what the stove top is looking like. So I really like it. Let me know down in the comments below if you like the stovetop or not, but I think it goes perfect. I don't know, I like it. I really do. The oven is gonna go right here, and then of course we're gonna paint all, I mean, they look dingy and stuff, but that's okay. We're getting a new dishwasher as well. This is just, you know, junk drawer, and my husband was fixing the light fixtures, but yeah, we're not gonna get new cabinets. We decided we're just gonna paint them, and I think that's okay. What I'm gonna do right now is go ahead and try to catch up on some editing. We are in the 3rd day of Vlogmas, so I need to be on it, honey. I feel like I'm on it already. I just gotta edit.
Chicken finance. Alyssa, can I get the name for your order?
Yes, my name is Danielle.
Okay. Can you hold for just 2 seconds for me?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, wow.
All right, I'm ready to go whenever. whenever you are, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, what's the dipping sauce?
Ranch as well. Thank you.
You have a blessed day.
You too. Excuse me.
Continue to select Pay Now. Thank you for using our self-checkout. Please take your bags and your receipt.
Chicken tenders, ranch. And chicken tenders. No, these aren't the lights. No, these aren't it. I'm gonna take these off. This ain't it. This ain't it.
Look at my shoes, Look at my shoes. 11. No, that's that one. Look at this. That's that one.
So this is the oven. I mean, girl, what is going on? This is the oven. I mean the stove, my goodness, the stove. Oh my gosh, here goes Chuchi's birth certificate right here. I thought this was a Christmas box. Wait, my God, I cannot believe this.